For the gear shifter, I've decided to go for a chassis mount. Because I'll be installing this on my own, I cannot be above and below the car at the same time. So I decided to weld the nuts into place on the plate. This should, in theory, allow me to install the gear shifter without being under the car. In my personal opinion, if you're going to do this, call a friend. To get the lower ring to fit, I just had to make a little slot to let it pass through. After a lot of fiddling around, I finally got it all tightened down. I decided now would be a good time to just pop the park brake cable bracket in place just to make sure we had the right clearance. And don't worry, if you haven't seen me make this bracket, it's coming up in the next video. I have decided to compile the brake lines all into one video.
I was expecting to get a whole lot more done today. To be honest, that took a very long time, but at least now the car's back on the ground. We'll get it back up a little bit later on, just so we can get the tail shaft and things like that sorted out. So if you're loving the content, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next video.